What's up, guys? Got a box today. Got another box coming in tomorrow. Hopefully within a month or so I should have full inventory. So let's see what we got here. Should be a 6mm 24-inch bunch of crosses. All right, 14 karat 6mm 24-inch. Real nice. This is a very nice daily. I mean, you can leave this on. I mean, you can shower, you can sleep with it. It might take some getting used to, but like I said in another video, I've had my 11mm, which never came off, only at the beach. But this is a good size, not too big, not too small. 6mm. Put that on the mannequin for now. Whole bunch of smaller in crosses. Okay. What are these? The 1.8? I didn't know I ordered more of these. Huh. This. These are the popular size. 2 1/4. Check that out. Two and a quarter. This one should fit up to about 6mm. Better for 5mm. All right. Got a whole bunch of small miscellaneous crosses. Some other stuff. This tiny one, good for like a 1 to 2mm. There you go. Haha. Check out this marijuana leaf, man. This one looks sick. I've seen some out there and details aren't as nice as this one right here. Here in Hawaii we call this pakalolo leaf. All 14 karat. This bale, looks like a 3mm. I might take it to my jeweler to widen it out a bit. It's a nice one. All right, let me know. Again, 6mm, 24-inch. Check that out. It's a nice size. Really nice size. All right. My website is up. hawaiiropechains.com. I'm not done with the site, but you can definitely place an order. Yeah, not everything is in stock, but if it's not in stock, I'll definitely get that out to you fast. Definitely worth the prices that I'm selling it for. So shoots, hit me up. All right, guys.